Hi there, and finally we're going on holidays! Hero! Oh, but what words and phrases do we need to know to go on holiday? First of all, let's make a booking. To make a booking or to make a reservation. To make a reservation means to book a hotel room or rooms for a certain period of time. It can be for one night, for 1 week, or 2 weeks. But what kind of hotel do you want to book? There are numerous kinds of hotels. For example, all-inclusive resorts and hotels, they are hotels that provide us all meals, such as breakfast, lunch, dinner, with all beverages without any limits. This is a perfect option for family holidays. So if you travel with kids, this is the best option for you. The second type is B&B, bed and breakfast hotels. They are small city hotels that will normally provide you accommodation and breakfast, but no lunch or dinner. They are the best option for work trips or sightseeing trips. The type number 3, hostels. Hostels, they are normally quite cheap and expensive accommodation of a dormitory style where toilets and bathrooms are shared. They are best option for young travelers or backpackers. And number 4 is motel. Motel is another type of low-priced hotels which are normally situated near roads or highways where guests have direct access to their room from the parking space. These accommodations are normally booked for 1 or 2 nights because they are normally used by travelers. When booking a hotel room, we need to know the difference between types of hotel rooms. The type number 1 is a single room. A single room is normally a small room and usually used for one person or a person and a baby. The type number 2 is a double room. A double room is a bigger room that can be used for 2 people. The type number 3 is a family suite. A family suite is a large room with a capacity from 4 till 6 people. The next type is adjoining or connecting rooms. They are basically 2 rooms next to each other connected by a door. So if you travel in a big family or a big party, this type of rooms is perfect for you. Depending on the view, we can differentiate such rooms as sea and ocean view rooms, garden view rooms, or pool view rooms. I hope this video was useful for you. For more videos, follow my channel. Bye bye for now.